Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the Wall Easy Drywall Repair Kit by ALLWAY. And this thing is pretty cool because if you have any holes up to 3 inches in size, this thing will make patching them super easy. So first off, once you open up the little package here, you are going to get the little drill bit, and this comes in 2 pieces. So you have right here, like the little pilot hole drill, and then you have the bigger one, which is designed perfectly for their drywall patches. And so the starter kit here comes with 2 of these. Obviously, if you have more holes, you can buy more of these if you wish, but essentially they're nice little angled here and they fit perfectly. So these don't fall in the walls or anything like that. Once you've installed them, you just need to go ahead and use some drywall compound, go ahead and fully cover it up, then texture, whatever your wall texture is, and then paint, and you're good to go. Now, as far as utilizing this is just gonna attach to a standard drill. So you can just slide it in, and then you are good to go as far as screwing into the wall. And like I said, it has a little pilot hole here, so that way it makes it a little bit more stable and easy to utilize. This is all made in the USA, if that is important to you. But overall, if you are in the market for an easy, simple device that's going to make patching holes incredibly easy, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.